Hi everyone, today I'm going to draw a cat. I've drawn a cat before, but it's going to be like a cutie kitten. It's going to be a cute kitten that's looking up as if, oh, hello. I'm really loving kittens at the moment. They're just so cute. And my sister bought a kitten and it's really sweet. So I'm going to draw a kitten, get a pencil and a piece of paper, and then whatever you decide after, you can go over in marker, felt tip, whatever you like. But right now, all you're going to need is a piece of paper and a pencil. Okay, right, it's landscape. It's landscape because we want to fit it all on the paper. So the first thing I'm going to do, look where I've drawn the head. So it's a big circle shape. It reminds me a little bit of a loaf of bread. But do a big shape like that, and it's supposed to be on this part of the paper. So leave a gap here all the way round. It's about there. So use your eyes. Obviously it depends what age you are, but use your eyes to kind of get an idea of where it's going to be. And then we want to do some ears. So we're going to go round, maybe start there, and then up. Now, I don't know if you can see, but it's a triangle, but it's rounded there. Then it goes down and then it's got a bit of a bobbly bit. Kind of like that because it makes it look more like a cat. And then we're going to go la, 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 la. It's just nice to do inside the ear. I just think it looks kind of cute. Anyway, so then we want the body. Now touch here and you're going to go, ah! Try and get that shape. It's going to look really odd, but try and get that shape because it looks like it's foreshortening, I think they call it, where it doesn't make sense, but it's coming out at you, but it's not actually that size, if that makes sense. It's quite a hard thing to draw, this is, but give it a go. Then we want a little, I've forgotten all my words. We want a little paw, so we're just going to go, and then we want an arm. No, we don't want a leg. So we're going to go down, 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 down. And then 1, 2. I don't know if you can see that. Well, hopefully you can. A bit weird if you couldn't because I've drawn it quite large. But we want to do this. 2 lines. And then that goes up. And then this can go like this. It's almost like it's framing the chest area. Now, let's just do this for now. But the paws are going to be more shaped, but for now that's fine. And then we want to do a little line underneath because he's got a hind leg, so obviously they've got 4 legs, cats normally, not always. So we want like a little bit there. And then we want a tail, so just go up, up, up. And you want to do it so it's small, but then it goes massive. It's like it attaches. You don't want to just go, you want to do, and then it comes back again. I'm recovering from a cold, so sorry if I'm coughing. Right, now we want to do the paws. So you're just going to do this. You're basically going to use the template of the shape, but draw the lines in it, but go over the lines so it looks more like it's real. And then you're going to do the face. So let's do the face. It's at an angle, the face. So we're going to do, sorry, I'm just seeing if it's recorded. Right, we're going to do 1, 2. We don't really want him to look sad because that would be really sad. But, you know, he can still have big eyes because he's a kitten. So then we want to go underneath, underneath. You could do any eyes you like, to be honest. But I kind of want to do these kind of little eyes. He's kind of looking up at you, saying hello. Now the nose, I mean, you've still got to do these bits, but you don't want him to look like he needs a lot of sleep. But we're going to do a nose, so it's a line here. Can you see? It's in between the eyes and it's at an angle. You could do that. If you want to look more smiley, you could just go up more, it doesn't matter. And then you've got little nostrils. Cats have like really sweet noses. It's almost human-like, I find. If you can't see what I've done there, I did like a V shape with like 2 nostrils, and that's it really. Now I'm going to do the whiskery bits. I never knew that whiskers are used to judge distances in a cat. Like when they move through a door, their whiskers can judge how far they are. I mean, I don't know if it's a myth, but I like the idea. So it's a tabby cat, this one, tortoiseshell, and it's only that because I absolutely love tortoiseshell cats. It reminds me of a tiger. They're just really sweet. Everything can be fluffy, so you could literally go over the line fluffy, like just redraw the line but make it fluffy. It looks nicer and it looks quite cute if you do that. I feel like his eyes are just sad right now, aren't they? So I'm just drawing all of the lines on his body, so he looks a bit like a tiger. Just cute like that. Now, to make him look like he's in somewhere, you have to situate him in an environment. So I'm going to draw like a mat. So I'm going to go, when you hit something, just float the pencil. Float, 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 float. Like that. That way you get a really good shape. But if you do that and then take up and do it again, you won't get a shape that you like. So there's my kitten. Granted, he looks a little bit sad, but it's okay. I'm going to rub some bits out. So I'm rubbing this line out because it's in front of the body. So you wouldn't see the other line. I could pretty much rub that line out if I wanted to because it's part of the cat. I could rub a little bit where the ears are because you don't really need to see a whole circle. It just looks a bit odd sometimes. And I could rub a little bit where the chin is, because you don't want the face that defined. And that is literally all I need. He looks sad, so I'm going to make him happy. I kind of want to do a blue cat now. Is that strange if I did a blue cat? I don't know, I kind of want to. I'm going to do a yellow cat. Yeah. I just feel like I need a black, don't I, to do the stripes. Is that a bit strange? I mean, it's not a bad thing, is it? It just means it's different. We like different, don't we? Alright, I'm going to get some black paint, some yellow. This yellow paint I'm using is very expensive and you do not need expensive paint. Right, now, think about a cat because it's going to have a pink, cute nose. There's something about yellow paint that just makes me feel good. So potentially you could paint your cat pink. There's nothing to say you can't. So we're going to go with something unconventional, which means just different at the moment. And I'm going to do all yellow. But the thing is, the cat's not generally all one colour. So I'm just blocking in all the yellowy bits. I kind of feel like I want to leave the nose and kind of the cheeks because it kind of looks nice with white around. Look how cute he looks. Someone needs to rescue him. Not from me, but just, you know. Right, pink for the nose. You don't want to do chalk when you've got wet paint, but I'm doing it because I can't find pink paint for myself. Then we want to do, the eyes would look really cool, kind of, oh, do you know what, I've got this nice green. Let's do that. They've got beautiful eyes, cats, beautiful. Just going to do pink there. I don't think there is pink there, but there we are. You could do a collar on him as well, that would look cool. So I'm going to do some black for the stripes. I think when you start to draw with me on video, what's nice is you could colour it in however you like. As long as you've got the drawing down to a T and you're happy with what it looks like, then you can do whatever you like for the colouring in. Oh, he looks like he's got hair now, doesn't he? He's got a fringe. It's a bit strange, isn't it? I think he's quite happy now though. He looks happier. I think he's happy having a fringe. Maybe that's why he was sad. He needed a fringe. I think we all need fringes, don't we? Right, I could go on and do more, like shadows and stuff. And I might do, but I don't want it to look sad, that's all. Cat's eyes are generally not white, so I'm trying to go round them. But it's nice to do shadows and stuff. I get carried away now, but I'm kind of adding in the tones and the, you know, like if you've got a bit of shadow because it's darker, you kind of make it dark there. But you could add white as well to show that its tummy's whiter. He looks kind of cute. He looks strange, but cute. And that is the look we're going for. Let's tell ourselves that. It was the paint, just to let you know. Right, let's do a little tummy that's white. He looks like Garfield, but not. White looks amazing when you just add it to things. It kind of makes things stand out. So if you just do like white here and there, it just looks awesome. And it's nice to paint over like the marker pen actually. Right, so that is my cat and my kitten, and I don't know, I think he's quite cute. You might not think he's cute. You might think, oh no thanks, he's not really one for the album, photo album. But why not? Oh my word. I'm using ink here because I've run out of paint, but it's not looking too neat, is it? Oh man. Well, let's put a bit of paint in there so it doesn't... There we go. There we go. I do love making mistakes because it tends to look better when I make a mistake. It's like you think, oh, I made a pink there, I quite like that. There you go, you don't want to ruin that. I think pink looks better because otherwise it looks like he's on a strawberry rug, which is fine, but pink's nice. Is pink nice? I like pink. Aww, he looks kind of cute. He looks a little bit tired, I'm not going to lie. But we could just add things, couldn't we? There we go. We don't want him to look tired, poor little thing. There we go. There's my little cut. I do feel like his fringe is slightly excessive. There's my kitten. Have a go. Basically, you're learning foreshortening. So it's a bit like if I did this. That's foreshortening because you've got to try and draw my arm as though it's a lot of the arm, but it's coming towards you, so it's shortened it. Does that make sense? It's really hard to draw that, especially if you're drawing bodies and figure drawing. But give it a go. Give it a go. Challenge yourself and see what happens. And I'm going to just sign it there. So yeah, like, subscribe and share, and let me know how you get on with your kittens. You can have a blue kitten, yellow kitten, orange kitten, and send me in your pictures like you normally do because I love seeing them. So yeah, see you soon. Bye.